Today, I'm going to do this simple product manipulation. First, I'm going to canva.com. Selecting the size 2000 pixels into 2500 pixels. Now going to add a background. To do this, search for stone on forest moss. Selecting this. Set as background. Now double-click and adjust position. Now, uploading the product image, check the description for the image. Import and remove the background. Adjusting the size and position. Now searching for straw coconut. Selecting this. Adjusting the size and position. Searching for a shadow. Adding this to the product left side, because the sunlight from behind is coming to the right side. Adding another shadow to the product image. Change the position to backward. Add another shadow to the product image in coconut and reduce the transparency to 60. Add one more shadow to the coconut. Changing position to backward. Reducing transparency to 70. Increasing the contrast to 20. Sharpness to 30. And clarity to 20. Now uploading the logo. Remove the background. Edit image. Change the red color to greenish. Adjusting the size and position. Adding a text. Writing the product short description. Changing the font to Sensation. Changing the alignment to the right side. Change the color to greenish. Now, search for coconut leaf. Adding this. Reducing the size and position to top left corner. Edit the image and change the temperature to 60. Non-bold the description text and make a little bigger. Adding a line shape under the logo. Change the color to logo color. Adjusting the position of coconut shadow. Press Shift key to select coconut and shadow. Drag a little down to equal with the product image level. Lastly, changing the text color to more greenish. If you want to try this and need any assistance, you will get my Facebook group link in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get future updates. Thank you.